Alright, it's gotten warm and the weeds are going crazy in my rock garden. So I like a weedless rock garden. So the weed killer I've used for probably a decade is my homemade recipe. So you need some dish soap, some Epsom salt, and a gallon of vinegar. Put it in a little pump sprayer, and I keep the recipe written right on the pump sprayer because I never remember between times how to make it. So the recipe's always right there. So the gallon of vinegar, that's a gallon pressure sprayer. So by the time you get the other salt and the dishwashing liquid in there, you can't quite fit a whole gallon of vinegar, but buy a gallon and top it off after I spray some. But I found the best thing that works is put the Epsom salt in and the vinegar, and then shake it up so the salt suspends in the vinegar mix real good. And then after all that shaking, put in the soap, because if you put the soap in the first time, you get so many bubbles you can't get the salt to go into solution with the vinegar. So pour in some vinegar, pour in the salt, shake it up, put in the quarter cup of dish soap, and then pump up the sprayer and spray. And that works as good as Roundup. I mean, it'll kill these weeds in a day or two. I'll come back and video the after shots of the weeds. But the great thing about this is it only cost a few bucks for a bottle. Roundup cost $30 for a gallon, and also this stuff is safe for kids and pets and all people. It won't kill you or give you cancer like Roundup. And 1 cup of salt, 2 cups of salt, fairly full, lid on it. And shake it up, shake it up. Need some music. It's probably shaking good. And it's a big bit of a guess, but this is a full cup measure, but I'll pour enough in here that looks kind of like a quarter cup. And then always use a little bit of vinegar to kind of get all the soap out of the measuring cup. And top it off to the fill line. Watch here come the suds. Losing our soap. Alright. And except for making a mess, because I filled it too full. That's it.
And then do the spray.
Alright, it's almost exactly 24 hours later, and everything that was pretty green is now dead and brown looking. So in another day, it'll all turn to dust almost, and I'll just take a little rake, maybe skim off the top, but it's all dead and brown. So no more weeds in the rock garden. So like and subscribe. Do more RV and kayak videos and home improvement, but just thought I'd throw this out there because lots of people ask me about it.